Hey guys, it's Yesi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to do 3 hairstyles with fishtail braids. I'm passionate about trying new things from different hairstyles, different makeup looks, and life hacks. So if you want to stick around, subscribe to my channel below so that you can stay updated on all the content that I post. For this hairstyle, I will be doing a fishtail braid. To begin, we want to grab our hair into a ponytail, and we want to divide it into 2 sections. We want to take a strand of hair from one section and a strand of hair from the other section, and we want to cross them over to create the start of our fishtail braid, and we want to repeat this same pattern until the very end of our braid. We want to take a hair tie and secure our hair in place. And this is our final braid. For this next hairstyle, we are going to grab this top section of hair here, and we're dividing it into 3, just like this. And we're crossing one over the other, as you can see. And we're doing this all the way until halfway. Once we're here, we can just braid it all the way down. Once we've gotten there, we want to take another hair tie. Just like this. And then we want to do the same thing on the other side. What we want to do next is that we want to get our hair into a ponytail. We want to take another hair tie, and we want to tie both the braids together. And once we have our ponytail, we want to undo the bottom of the 2 braids that we just made and take the top section and make a small fishtail braid. And this is the second hairstyle. And for this next hairstyle, it's technically similar to Dutch braids, except we are using fishtail braids. So for this next hairstyle, we want to have our hair parted in the middle, just like this. We want to take the top section of our hair, and we're going to make this into a fishtail braid. We want to divide it into 2 sections and take a strand of hair from one section and the strand of hair from the second section, and we want to cross them over all the way until the very end. And we want to take a hair tie and secure our braid into place. And for this other braid, I didn't really like it, so I decided to undo it and redo it. And we want to do the same thing that we did on the other side on this side until the very end of our braid. Take another hair tie and secure this braid into place, and this is the final hairstyle. In this video, I shared with you guys 3 hairstyles using fishtail braids. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to like the video below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I really hope that you guys found one hairstyle that you can incorporate into your hairstyles. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!